Hello and welcome back everyone to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Gumtree. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in gumtree.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Gumtree website. Now in order to log into your existing account, click on the login/register button at the top right corner and this will take you into the login portal. Now if you have linked your Google or your Facebook account with your Gumtree account, you can click on the appropriate sign in with Google or Facebook buttons. Otherwise, just enter your email address followed by your password within the email and password box. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your Gumtree account right away. And you can immediately start looking for ads and also creating your own in order to sell and offer services. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Gumtree. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.